Ayan guys, a quick NBA update tayo. This is regarding Bronny James being assigned to the affiliate team ng Los Angeles Lakers sa G League. Okay, so i-play natin tong video. Credits to Sports Illustrated and Mr. Avery Johnson, okay? A retired NBA player and coach.
It was just announced that Bronny James from the Los Angeles Lakers is going to be assigned to the Lakers G League team. This is not really any breaking news. This was something that was probably decided even before he was drafted with the Lakers front office.
So guys, yung tinutukoy na affiliate team ng LA Lakers na sa G League is yung South Bay Lakers. Ayan. So tuloy natin.
This young man probably needs a year or two in the G League to really develop his game and to see if he can ever become a rotation player or even better in the NBA. It'll be interesting to see.
So, feeling ko nakukulangan sila sa skill or yun nga, yung sa talent ni Bronny James nung naglaro siya dito sa Lakers sa mga nakita nating laro. Kahit ako ang tatanungin, compared dun sa mga ibang rookie, talagang mas nag-stand out sila compared to, for me in my opinion lang, comment nyo rin yung mga opinion nyo guys. Pero for me, maraming ibang mga rookie na feeling ko mas magaling pa talaga.
To see the TV ratings, that when Bronny's playing on TV, how does he affect the ratings, and will he significantly improve in an accelerated rate? Lots of eyes is going to be on Bronny James in the G League as he continues to build out his professional career.
Nakakaano yun So, di ba nandito si Bronny James sa NBA, tapos inassign siya ngayon sa G League, South Bay Lakers, tapos sabi niya, marami daw mga mata yung nakasubaybay at nakatingin pa rin kay Bronny James. So, for me, kung ako ay nasa position ni Bronny James, pressure to sa kanya. Considering yung height niya na 6'2", around 6'2" yung height nito mas marami talagang ibang players na medyo may katangkaran compared sa kanya, kaya kailangan niya talagang i-develop pa yung skills niya. Although for me, nakikita ko magaling siya sa depensa. So, kung ako siguro kailangan gawin kong extremes yung level ng defense ko, and then talagang magsasanay ako sa yun nga yung sinasabi niya, yung good rotation player. Saka yung shooting, kailangan talaga mag-improve pa siya sa niya, yung shooting percentages para mas maging siya, competitive kung sakaling may chance pa siyang makabalik talaga sa NBA instead na dito sa G League, South Bay Lakers. So quick information regarding Avery Johnson guys. Nag-check na lang ako sa ChatGPT. So si Avery Johnson, retired American basketball player and coach, known for his career as a point guard sa NBA. And then at the latter part ng career niya, naging coach. So ayan, position niya point guard, and makikita nyo dito guys ang nickname niya is the Little General, standing 5'10". So under 6 feet lang pala to si Avery Johnson, pero malaki yung impact niya nung naglalaro pa siya sa NBA. And yung pinaka-highlight ng career niya is with the San Antonio Spurs. Naglaro rin pala siya sa Seattle Supersonics, Denver Nuggets, Houston Rockets, Golden State Warriors, and Dallas Mavericks. Okay. So, naging famous daw siya sa isang moment in 1999. So, nakalagay dito 1999 NBA Finals. He hit a critical game-winning shot in Game 5 against the New York Knicks to secure the San Antonio Spurs first NBA championship. Okay, 1999 yan. Naalala ko talaga dyan sila Duncan, Parker, Tony Parker, saka si Ginobili. Yan. So, coaching career, naging coach si Avery Johnson sa Dallas Mavericks. And then, experience din siya sa college coaching. And then, after nung basketball career niya, Ayun na pala. So it makes sense. Nakalagay dito, post-basketball career. Since his coaching days, Johnson has often appeared as an analyst on TV networks, sharing his insights on NBA and college basketball games. Okay. Avery Johnson is widely respected for his leadership qualities, both as a player and a coach. He's also known for his high basketball IQ and motivational style. Ayan. So, kung ano man yung mga sinabi niya kanina dito sa opinion niya regarding sa movement ni Bronny James from NBA Los Angeles Lakers to G League na affiliate team ng LA Lakers, which is the South Bay Lakers, talagang may say naman pala talaga siya when it comes to expressing his basketball analytics and opinion. Okay, so comment nyo lang yung opinion nyo guys regarding dito sa situation ni Bronny James, and ituloy natin yung conversation natin through our comment section. Maraming salamat.